Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Tanah Metuah, Indonesia. In this area, our religion is very strong. The binding relation with the Almighty, to show gratefulness to a safe place that has given so much. Ocean, the biggest solar space, a simple reminder of your size and comparison, a perspective as to where you stand and a way of staying grounded. I am Mazferdian Palka. Being born in a small village did not discourage me continuing to achieve success. I believe that this agency will grow better, will rise stronger if we all work together. The first step I can do is introduce the destination of my birthplace to the world, telling how calm and comfortable it is in my village. As a civil engineering graduate, I will campaign for better access to the hidden paradise in this village. I'm sure it's just because of the distance. Brotherhood is always close.